Now let's talk about backgrounds. Notice that this section background is white, this one has some color, and this one has some color with a gradient. But section backgrounds can also be images or videos. For example, I'd like the background of this hero section at the top of the home page to be a video of tea being poured. So first we'll need to prep the section. I'll click this image and then click delete in the toolbar. Next, we'll resize this text so it fits better on the page. And next, to actually change the section background, we'll click the section, then click edit section in the toolbar. And here you have your section settings. You have 3 tabs for background: color, image, and video. You can change your section color by clicking here, and you can even animate the gradient if you'd like. You can click the Image tab, and we've already seen how to replace images. It's a pretty similar process. Or you can click Video, and then click Replace Video. And then here you can search the video library for free video options. For example, let's search for tea, and let's choose this video of tea being poured. To add it, click Select Item, and this is looking pretty nice. But the white text on the background is kind of hard to read. Fortunately, this is easy to fix. You can increase the contrast between the background and your foreground elements by dragging the overlay opacity slider until there's a nice balance, right about there maybe.